We're looking at our 2017 e-Golf. We have a small problem. This part dropped out of the door the other day. So let's see how simple or hard this is to repair. It comes off the door, passenger side. If you put your finger in there, there's no wiring, so it's not like, you can stick a bulb in there and modify this. By the way, this is the SE model of the e-Golf, so it's the cheaper base unit. On the SEL, this actually lights up. So, question, how do we get this back on? Well, you'll notice there's a reflector, and the reflector is going to have to go out this way. So that'll be your indication on how to mount this, right? The reflector this way. I don't know if you saw that. The camera might have moved. So there's focus. There you go. You see that on the top? That's going to catch. There's a catch for the back end. It's going to go on this lip. And then the real thing that's going to hold it in place is the notch at the top. So basically place it in and it snaps. And there you go. Unless you bump into it like someone in our house did, it should stay in place. And then your repair is done. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, leave us a comment. As always, thank you for watching.